Good morning. Even if you woke up feeling a little heavy or your mind already busy with thoughts, this moment is just for you. Imagine the gentle warmth of the sun touching your skin and the soft breath of a new day unfolding around you. In just 10 minutes, you'll reset your mind, awaken your energy, and step into your day with clarity, focus, and calm. One simple shift we'll practice together can transform the way you begin your morning. A shift you can carry with you all day. So now, settle in, release your shoulders, soften your breath, and open your heart to this positive morning. Let's begin by breathing together. Inhale slowly through your nose. 2, 3, 4, and exhale softly through your mouth. Notice your shoulders relaxing, your body grounding, and your mind settling into a space of calm and clarity. Again, inhale and feel the air filling your lungs like a gentle tide of energy. Exhale, letting go of tension, doubt, and yesterday's noise. As you breathe, softly repeat, "I am ready for today." Let this breath anchor you here, now, in this moment of gratitude and presence. Now add a gentle awareness. Picture your breath as a soft wave, washing over you, leaving you refreshed, focused, and ready for a positive morning. Carry this breath with you as your anchor for today. Gently bring your attention to your feet. Imagine roots growing softly from your soles, anchoring deep into the earth. Feel the stability of your foundation supporting you with calm and clarity. Move your awareness upward, through your legs, hips, torso. Notice sensations: warmth, lightness, softness, and the quiet rhythm of your breath guiding you deeper into presence. Continue scanning upward. Shoulders, neck, face. Let any tension dissolve, like clouds drifting away in a soft morning sky. Now rest your awareness at your heart center. Feel your chest rise and fall gently, and imagine it glowing softly with calm energy and gratitude. As your body feels lighter, affirm quietly to yourself, "I am grounded. I am present. I am ready." Let this moment anchor you deeply in your positive morning. Now, with this awareness, I'll guide you into a simple visualization that can fill your whole day with gratitude. Before we begin the visualization, imagine a quiet morning where everything feels just right. The air is fresh, a soft whisper of dawn, sunlight gently touching your skin, and a deep calm filling your mind. This is the space we create through gratitude. Now, bring to mind one thing that you feel deeply grateful for. It might be the comfort of this morning air, the warmth of your bed, or simply the presence of someone you love. Picture it now as a gentle light glowing softly before you. With each inhale, let that light grow brighter, filling your heart with warmth, calm, and clarity. With each exhale, smile inwardly, letting gratitude flow through your whole body. Whisper quietly inside, "I welcome gratitude into my day." Let this light expand until you feel completely surrounded by calm, steady gratitude. And now, Gently carry this feeling with you as we move forward on your morning journey. Now, rest in this calm gratitude and plant gentle affirmations for your day. Let them take root deeply in your mind and body. Whisper softly after me or repeat inside. I am calm, clear, and focused. I release what I cannot control and carry only what serves me. I choose gratitude, and gratitude chooses me back. I am steady, I am ready, I am open to what today brings. Breathe in deeply, letting these words settle into your body, filling you with energy and clarity. Breathe out slowly, feeling their strength ripple outward like gentle waves. Notice how your energy shifts, subtle, steady, carrying this feeling forward into a positive morning. And soon, we'll close this meditation with a gentle reset, leaving you calm, focused, and fully ready. If you'd like to continue this journey tonight, explore our sleep meditation collection, a series of gentle sessions designed to help you rest deeply and wake renewed. Or, if you're ready to go deeper, tomorrow morning, join the next practice in our morning meditation series. Your step into a day filled with calm, clarity, and positive energy. Let your journey continue and carry this soft feeling of gratitude and focus gently into your day. Take one last gentle breath in, and as you exhale, let go of any lingering tension, as if clouds are softly drifting away. Today is a fresh beginning, a space where clarity and focus guide your steps, and your heart is filled with gratitude and calm. Carry this gentle awareness into everything you do, knowing you can always return to this soft place of peace whenever you need. Now let go and step into your day with steady energy and a positive morning. Before we close, take one last deep breath in and let it carry calm clarity and gratitude into your day. 3, breathe in. 2, breathe out. 1, smile inwardly. Thank you for sharing this moment with me. Remember, start calm, stay focused, and carry joy into your day. If this practice nourished you, tomorrow's session will guide you deeper into calm energy and gratitude. You can also explore our sleep meditation collection for a restful night. Let your journey continue and step into your day with steady energy and a positive morning.